Hello, 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 hello. Guys, so this was the trade yesterday that we didn't take. It ran. I think it went to previous day yesterday, This is previous day high. And look at that, ran it still. Which was ran guys, look. Oh my days. Oh no, this is just the lines. Let me remove that. Lol, I thought you ran. Remove those jokes. But yeah, look, this is previous day high yesterday, which is crazy. But we still got up here to take out, this high here to take out. Right now we're taking out this high, closed above, over here. That high, have we hit it? No, we have not hit it yet. Let me just have a line like that. That could be. It could just run that as well, This high. It's even wrong. And let me mark out the open as well. It's potential levels. So this is already closed above. So that's cool. Let's see what it's saying for fib. This is a swing high, isn't it? 50%. We're not going back to yesterday's low. Okay, we're going to continue pushing higher. Yesterday created the low of the week. Yeah, yesterday created the low of the week. I'm just going to keep pushing higher, but this is yesterday's Q3, which price could potentially get back down to right here, or Q4. So we've got this one's Q4. This one's Q3. So we'll see what happens in the open, but I'm expecting price to come back into this range. This is the low. I'm not even gonna do the low. Let me do I'm gonna do Asia. I'm going to do Asia. Mercy. I'm going to do Asia session. Speech impediment. Mercy. That's the high of Asia. And then what's the low of Asia? This is the low of Asia. It's already been swept. So price could just. I do want it to retrace a little. Like if you got into this fair value gap to push higher. Is there news today? Let's see, there's news today. Tuesday, there's news at 10. Today's Wednesday, isn't it? Oh, we got news! We got news still. Non-form employment at 8:15. Yeah, I could push it down here still. Then the 9:30 open. Alright, cool. Yeah, that's calm. I'm okay with that. But it needs to push the price lower and then excel higher. Yeah, I'm alright with that still. 8:15. 8:15. Okay. Okay. Infant. Oh, that looks interesting. Yeah, but let me 15-minute time frame. See how we're looking. Let's see what 8:15 news does. But yeah, I got price coming down here potentially. We've been first taking out these highs. Initial sell side. Initial buy side. Apologies. And then so price goes like this, takes out that high, goes down to that low, continues to go down to this low, then takes out this high, and then maybe shoots up to that high. That's what I would like to see. You know, price can do what it wants. So taking out this high first, taking out the initial sell side, dropping into this, taking out the previous session high, and up to here. Because if that happens, you will be taking out initial buy side, going out for the sell side, then dropping down into previous day fair value gap. So internal to external, and external because you haven't taken out Asia session high, and I don't think it's going to push up here, but my overall bias is upwards. So it would make sense if this was the direction it's going in. Do you get it? But you know, price can do what it wants. But this is my anticipation. Let's see what happens. Imagine I just dropped down to the 1 minute time frame, and this looks exactly the same as it did yesterday. Like no cap. Look, this looks like yesterday AM, but instead of the low being in Q1, is actually, wow, this is, look at the model. The model's here as well. If you can see it right here, you can see right here. Let me just make it, add the makeup on it. Right there. Oh, it's gonna, right there. Obviously the low though, and then you see, what was that? This was a 3-to-1. It's really just repeats, but obviously on bigger time frames. That's crazy though, man. That's all you need, something that repeats. It's not easy. But now we're just doing it on a bigger scale. Do you see it? You see it? Even internally as well. Even internally. This high got taken. This low. Wow. Do you see it? But obviously we're trading the one outside of that. So 1 minute, we're trading like a 3 minute. So all of this, it's so crazy. Thank you, Lord, for opening my eyes. But yeah, that's the one I want to trade. Really, time is really fractal. It depends on where you're trading it from. Let's see how it goes though. Okay, cool. So price has taken out this low only by an inch. Do you see it? And came back into the range. So 1 minute time frame. Swept it literally. So let me just remove this because that could be wrong. Obviously, we have news at 8:15, and this is actually going back up now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to aim for this higher from this low. So we're looking at our model is there. Close above this high. I want to see a close above this high. If we get that, then confirmed for higher prices. I get close above this one. Or if price even comes back into this fair value gap. Let's check on nanocycles, what it's saying. High and lift it up. So we got to close above that high. This fair value gap. See what this candle does, 30 seconds. We've got news in a minute as well. So let's see how we'll put it up. That the next candle is going to be the 8:15 news. So see how it does, what it does in this inverted, right here in this inverted. And this is another fair value gap. There we go. There we go. But is it going to reverse down or just continue pushing up? But it touched it and reacted. Touched it and reacted. It didn't. Let's see how it closes. Am I missing something here? Let's see how it closes above here. Five seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closed above. Entry. If it hits here, entry, rebalance price range, entry. We're in, guys, we're in! And now we're going for up here. It's all partials. And let's see how that plays out, to be honest. In this trade. Buy limit. See, that's a problem. Oh my days. They just wick this fair value gap to continue to push lower down here. Hey, let's Let's see how it does. We're in this trade right now. Stop loss underneath this low. Yeesh, that's a big stop loss, you know. 4 to 1. We'll keep it. See how it closed though? It didn't even close higher. Entry, bam. Okay, cherry picking in it. Yeah, cherry picking. There. See how it does. Stop loss hit, but I think I understand why we wasn't in a macro. Like, we was not in a macro at all. So this was not our trade. So we took a losing trade right here. We were just looking at price but not time. It's understandable. So, but listen to this. Now that I'm seeing that price entered this fair value gap at the 8:15 news, that's just strengthening my bias for price wanting to go down here. So I'm gonna bake on a 45-minute time frame. I'm gonna bake on this time frame. Remove this. With this. Really look at the 30-minute actually. Uh, 15. Hey, what did I just? We're going to 15. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on 15 and see what we get. I think we've got an SMT happening here. This is Q3, and then this is, that was S&P, sorry. This is PM, but this is Q1. And obviously you might hit in Q3 semi-cycle, but then down here still looks favourable. But then ES is looking like it's gonna do an SMT thing, so we're just still monitoring, to be honest. But the time is currently 9:06. Well, obviously, as you guys know, 10 minutes behind, so it's 8:56. So we're here now. It's Q3. MNQ is here as well. Let's go to 15 minute. Just arrived. Q1. So right now, I don't even know. Let me go back onto the daily. You don't know, zoom out. Right now that could be a balanced price range. So we could be looking for higher prices. So what you get? Let's see how this candle closes first. Let's see, because you below these lows and this fair value gap. So yeah, let's see how this candle closes. So this candle closed like this. Now we're down here in Q1. This was in Q1. Right now, look at ES. I need to see how this closes because this just could just be coming to tap here and then shoot back down again. Because we still haven't got the open yet. But it has came to this for a value gap. Do you get it? Do you get it? See? 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 But right now I'm seeing the model. Fill by 17 is crazy. Oh my days, bro. Okay, here's calm, you know. Here's calm. Stop loss. Down here. This low. We don't want to suit this low here. But that's a 182. So I'm going to buy another 7. And that's calm. And this is the high we want. Previous session high. Asia. Up here. But you know I'm a partial plant. I'm a partial plant. Taking partials here. And we could, let's not be greedy here as well. Just take off 7 here. And then take off 5. And then just leave 2 as a runner because, you know, godliness with contentment is great gain. That's 1 Timothy 6:6. So right now we're in the trade. And yeah, man, let's see how it goes. 9:30 open hasn't hit yet. I'm anticipating that to push price higher. One second, let me see what this. It's down here still. This is the candle low. 50%. Yeah, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Oh, my teeth hurts. Yeah, Q3. Alright, cool, we're leaving it. Ah, my teeth hurts. Well, 9:30 hit. 9:30 hit, and I got stopped out. And brother, I'm really been picking and losing trades today. Like I don't have a trading window, which is 9:30 to 11. That's what happens when you sit too close. You go to your computer too early. You start losing trades. I just lost trades. So now we're gonna play it by the books. This is the only time I can enter. 9:50 to 10:10. So crazy. That's not. I haven't been doing A+ setups today because it's no excuse. I'll be real. I've just been moving lazy with it, and lazy doesn't pay the bills. This is a job. Let's see how news took me out then. 10 o'clock, 8, no, 9:30. Let's see. 9:30. Just moving bare slow, bro. We're just gonna wait for the macro, I can't lie. Whoa, price got down here. I don't know why I'm always changing my bias, like I don't believe in myself. I do believe in myself and I can do it. Price dropped down here. And we're in a macro now. This is what you call continuation up. Why can I trust that? Because we're in a macro. Price only supposed to one side and we hit a bigger time frame PDA. So enter right there, right here. Stop loss above this low here. To worship you I live. Now we're going, was it this one? It was this one, wasn't it? Previous session right here. Up here. So what do I even do? Oh, up here. Stop loss. Here. Stop loss here. To worship you I live. To worship you I live to worship you. Oh, like it's O'Neil. Let's run through the strat again. It's higher time frames. It's higher time frame PDAs. This was previous day. Q3. This was previous day Q3. I don't know why you changed, but it's okay. Previous day Q3 at 9:30. You trade in between 9:30 and 11 o'clock, but then you get in at the macro from 9:10 to 10:10. The price is going into one direction after it's dropped to one side down into a high time frame PDA, and then you look for your entries up. Come on, man. You're getting there, but you're making these little mistakes. Brother, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all this righteousness will be added unto you. Right here, this is Q3. This is Q3. The price comes back and taps into it. Are you not Gara? Yeah. And look, what's it doing? You missed it. You missed it, but it's alright, man. Looks like it's coming back down. If it comes back down and taps in it, that's a continuation. One side is spawning. To worship you I live. Watch it. How does it close? Close above this high. It's coming down to tap it. Tapped. There we go. Look at that. Coming into this Q3 as well. Go into this, not Q3, but this PDA. So this is the account what it's looking at the moment. Delayed data, but yeah, enter that again. To worship you, I live. To worship you, I live to worship you. Why is it not showing my entries for here? Looks like they haven't manifested yet. Oh, but I enter on this candle here again. So this Q3 is in a speed bump right now. It's the Q3 area, but waiting for price to continue going higher. I think, I don't know. This is ES on a 1 minute time frame. Right up here. These equal highs. Call it the drill. For some reason, I'm not in the mood. I just don't feel in the mood to trade. Be honest, guys. This Q3 inverted fair value gap. I just don't feel in the mood to trade, you know. I'll be honest. For some reason, I don't feel right now. It's literally just this is it. You see, it shows on a 45 minute. Yeah, it shows on a 45 minute because it's not there, but I got price going to the previous session high. Hey, this is Asia session high, and this is London session high as the partial. But yeah, man, I just don't feel in the mood, man. But for sins is just a sinner who fell down and got up. So it looks like from a bigger time frame perspective. I entered a few times though, I won't even lie to you, but you know, mercy. So this is what price looks like without the makeup. Right now, let's get it all back. I press 5 minute, bro. We're out of macro now, and we're here taking a small amount. So whatever price wants to do now. Under this fair value gap. Yeah. It's just, I don't know, man. Generally don't feel like trading. Well, I'm just, bye guys. Some good trades though, I can't lie. Can't lie.